no public funds were used for all my travels. I did not charge representation. I did not charge tickets. I did not charge per dime for all my travels in the office of the Vice President. So if you can see in the breakdown of the budget of travel for Office of the Vice President, you can see that there was a zero amount for the Vice President.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happening to this notice of disallowance.
Nag-submit po ba ng appeal ang Office of the Vice President sa notice of disallowance?
Kung yung Congressman Tinio, kung ang notice of disallowance was
Hindi siya nasimulan by January, yung Madam Chair, yung procurement. So maraming mga procurement na June, July, August na nasimulan.
May dahilan po ba kung bakit June, July, August na nasimulan ang mga proyekto?
Madam Chair, dahil kailangan marami pong mga attachments na nire-require para sa procurement.